This is the Church of Pentecost IT Guild online training platform. We welcome you to software development class, and today we are introducing ourselves to Cmath Library. As we started from our previous video, we introduced ourselves to basic mathematical calculation. Today, the Cmath Library also help us to do a lot of basic calculation in IT using the math functions. Okay, so straight away to our code. Let me introduce ourselves to the code block interface. For this, we all know how to already run the code block. I just include the Cmath library, or let me delete it and start all over. I just need to type your pound sign and then type include, then you give a space and then type Cmath. Okay, this library will help us to do our basic mathematical calculation. So that is what we are supposed to do. This time I want us to go back to our Word, and then I will display a simple components for us. Okay, let's say we have this on the screen. We have this. If you can see it from the screen, maybe x raised to the power maybe 2. Let me change this to and make it x raised to the power maybe y. X raised to the power y. If you can see this x raised to the power y, what we are trying to mean is what you are trying to actually do is s raised to the power y. That is a symbol representing a value. So let's say this, our real thing will be maybe s raised to the power maybe 2. Our mathematics teacher should help me with this, because what I'm trying to do is to translate a high-level language into a programming language. So as a software developer, this is how all professionals will approach you for you to build a system for them. So that is it. So your math teacher or a mathematician, a doctor has approached you to give you this contract for you to build simple system that is 2 raised to the power 3. They want to see this running in the application. What are you supposed to do as a software developer? Just straight away, we need to translate this into an IT language. An IT language that we translate, or this one, we refer this base and the exponent, we refer as what? POW, that's power. So straight away, we are moving back to the code block and then apply this there. So let's define a static variable. Let's give the first one as y, the 2 to be x, and then the y should be the 3 should be y. So let's define our integer and then type x should equals to 2, and then my y should equals to 3. This is a static way of defining it. Static, if you make it static, no changes can be made. So it just go straight cout. Let's give it and L. So let's write 2 power 3 plus 2 power 3 equals to. Okay, so let's run this first and see if whatever we have done is right. So we want to run this first and see if whatever we have done is right. So I've build and run. When you click on build and run, you get it. Okay, you see that it has displayed. Okay, now when you check the screen, I didn't get the answer. Okay, when you check the screen, I didn't get the answer, so I have to go back to my code block and make sure that I get my answer. So back to the code block. Now that I need to call my library, so just do this. The library is called power POW. So just need to call it. Then the x, which is 2, and then y, which is 3. So we all know that let's check the final answer. And those of us, our math teachers, can also do this calculation at home. Okay, so build and run once again. Click on build and run. You can see that now my answer has displayed. Introduction to Cmath 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So God bless you for being part of God bless you for being part of this training program. Okay, God bless you. Bye.